Here we go, Highbox 604, back with another break with Sandbagger here at his place doing group break number 153, which is half a case of Upper Deck 1718 Upper Deck Series 1. Thank you all for joining and supporting both of us and filling this break tonight. Everyone helped tonight, and we got it done. We were half full at the beginning of the night, and we filled it. Thank you all. There are the boxes on the left-hand side of the screen. As I said earlier, we will just call out the teams and the names of the lower-end hits. So first box is 953. I might get tired halfway and give it to Nick, especially if I wasn't hitting anything. Oh, wow, I thought it was a Gretzky autograph. All I did was one box of this stuff. Okay. Might have to move my car, so good luck, everyone. We have the Centennial Ray Bork, Colorado. Oh, nice, double hit. Jaden Schwartz, 84 of 100, UD exclusive for the St. Louis Blues. Got an exclusive right off the bat. And there you go. Who wanted him? It's there. Kyler Yamamoto, Young Guns, Edmonton. SB Hockey said he wanted one. And you just ask, and you shall receive. Portraits, Nazem Kadri, Toronto. Mark Recchi, Centennial, Philly. Is that your dad?
Yeah.
Do you want my keys?
Nope, it's on.
Are you sure?
He'll park somewhere else. It's no big deal.
I can give you the keys. You can move it if you want.
No, I'll go and get his car later after you leave.
Okay.
It's fine.
Jason Zucker, Canvas, Minnesota. I just heard someone yelling and you ran out. Ian McCutcheon, Young Guns, Florida. Was I right?
What?
Someone was yelling?
Who was yelling?
On the phone?
No.
Oh, okay.
No. I just
Subban, Centennial, Nashville.
have to listen to my conversation.
Oh. We had a Yamamoto Young Gun that SB Hockey said once won. Victor Met, I think is his name.
Yeah, it's Met or Mete, but I don't know.
Victor Met.
It's probably Met.
Montreal.
Just wait till you get Evgeny Svechnikov.
Svechnikov. Austin Matthews, Portraits, Leafs. Who had the Oilers? SB Hockey, yeah, and he wanted one and he got it.
The stinky.
I can't. I mean, yeah, 17-18 we can go back to stinky, but 16-17 we couldn't. Nicholas Backstrom, Washington.
They're not the stinky.
Yeah, they're actually good. So, UD Canvas, Joel Ward, San Jose.
They're still pretty good too.
Yeah. Young Guns of JFK. Jakob for Spaka Carlson. JFK Young Guns for the Bruins. Centennial, Jamie Benn, Dallas. What's the biggest hit you can hit here? Oh,
He's your high gloss from?
yeah. We have a clear cut. Jacob Chikrin for the Arizona Coyotes. Yeah, Besser high gloss would be nice.
Yeah, actually, Besser high gloss would be worth more for sure.
Then Hischer, yeah.
Yeah.
Jacob Chikrin clear cut.
Every time I see his name, I want to say Boser though.
Me too.
Every single
Gustav Nyquist Portraits. Detroit, right? Yeah, Detroit. It should be Boser. Should be Boser, but it is Besser. So, and Young Guns, John Hayden, Chicago. I like those clear cuts. Tyler Seguin, Portraits, Dallas. Just don't know why they don't sell as much as they should. Shining Stars, Austin Matthews, Stinky Leafs. Who has the Leafs? Oh, Stephen Adam. And a red Shining Stars, Washington, Obi. Bobby Clark, a Centennial, Philly. Taylor Hall, Shining Stars, New Jersey. Good box. Portraits, Jaden Schwartz, St. Louis. Alex Kerfoot, Young Guns, Colorado. Yeah, the year they were not stinky, I wasn't doing breaks. So, oh yeah, they are. Soon, E-Packs will be coming up soon. And the last one is a Jared Spurgeon, Wild. Good box, good start. Let's see. Okay. Usually under my desk is huge mess after I finish a break. So yeah. And then sorry I'm not sleeving them unless they're a good hit.
Yeah, I'll sleeve it up.
Yeah. There. Okay, box number 2 is 954. Hopefully every box is like that. We had a clear cut in that one. We had a Yamamoto Young Guns. We had an exclusive. So, not a bad one to start. No, McAvoy and Hischer comes in the same box. Gilmore, Centennial, Stinky Leafs. Bring that down a little bit. There you go.
See the picture team case that I did?
For
like 3 regular Heishers and a clear cut.
No way.
Same case.
Usually, Robert Hagg, a Young Guns, Philly. Usually, like Series 1, 2, and if I'm in a break, I just watch the end if they're doing a recap because it's just too long. Nikki Backstrom.
Should do recaps for that long breaks like that.
Yeah.
It's a good idea. Just stay at the start of the video if you want to watch the recap at the end.
Yeah, just watch the end. Tyler Seguin, Shining Stars, Dallas. I mean, if I'm live, I'll watch it.
It's going to be quite boring to watch the 2 hours.
That's what I'm saying, right? If I'm live, I'll watch it. But if I'm watching it later, I'll rather just see the highlights or the hits at the end. John Tavares, Canvas. Isles. Young Guns of Denis Gurianov, Dallas. Centennial. This one is Bobby. No, sorry. It's not even Bobby Orr. Stan Mikita. Chicago. Just make sure it's only one team on the back. Yeah. Stan Mikita, Chicago. CJ Smith, Young Guns, Buffalo. Jonathan Huberdeau, Florida. Frank Mahovlich, Centennial, Leafs. Yeah, McAvoy and Hischer come together. I don't know what Besser comes with. UD Canvas, Michael Matheson, Florida. Wester's buddy, Young Guns of Will Butcher, New Jersey. Who has the Devils? Dan Andrew. Centennial Grand Fuhrer, Oilers. Oh, this one is not a good box like the other one. We have a UD jersey going out to the Islanders, Nick Leddy. Islanders doing decent this year. Mike Gardner, Centennial, Washington. Sebastian Aho, Portraits, Carolina. Well, if Besser comes with Butcher, then we're going to have a Besser in this box. JVR, Shining Stars, Stinky Leafs. Adrian Kempe, Young Guns, LA Kings. He's not a bad one to get. Going out to Bruce. Sidney Crosby, Portraits, Pittsburgh. Young Guns, Ottawa, Alex Formenton, I guess. Formenton. Should have played for Edmonton. Oh, Busher does not come with Besser. Okay, never mind. Thought that's what you said. That's not a bad one to get either. Young Guns canvas for the Colorado Avalanche. Tyler. I thought it was Jost, but it's apparently Yost. Yost? Tyler Yost.
I think it's Yost.
Yeah, I heard that too. So I thought it's Jost the whole time. Tyson Yost. Yost. Jeff Carter, Shining Stars, LA.
It's like a Y, I guess.
Tyson, what did I say? Tyler? Sorry, and then Tyson. Tyson Yost. Pavel Zacha, New Jersey. Toronto, if you want your Austin Matthews base, let me know. Shining Stars, red for the Flames, Johnny Gaudreau. Well, wasn't as good as the first box, but it wasn't that bad. Okay. There?
Yep, just throwing it.
Okay. Box number 3 is 9921. Edmonton, just Yomomoto. Young Guns, weren't you there? I thought you saw it. OEL, Canvas, Arizona. Tuukka Rask, Shining Stars, Case Hit. Oh yeah, Grand Fear, good one, Sterls. I forgot about that. Yeah, Grand Fear as well. Jake McCabe, a Canvas. Buffalo. Nicholas Backstrom, Red Shining Stars, Washington. Centennial, Jerome Gilna. That's a cool card. Calgary. And another jersey going out to the Habs. Andrew Shaw. Andrew Shaw for the Habs. Yeah. We got his Shining Stars regular, Shining Stars red. John Gillis, Young Guns. Calgary. Nathan Walker, Young Guns, Capitals. Oh, we got an autograph. Nice. Good looking. I haven't seen the signature sensations this year. Very nice. Double hit pack. Going out to the San Jose Sharks, probably one of the lower hitting teams. Martin Jones. That's a nice looking card. I like it.
Yeah, San Jose doesn't have any hits.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, right? For one of the teams that doesn't hit much.
I don't even know if do they have a young gun?
No, I don't think so. Yeah, they made them very nice this year. First time I see them, actually, because I didn't hit one in mine, obviously. Jeff Skinner, Carolina. So if you want your Austin Matthews base cards, Steph and Adam, let us know. We'll throw it in. UD Canvas, Andy Green, New Jersey. Love the canvases. I love the canvases every year. Marian Hossa, Centennial, Chicago. Yeah, not a big fan of the Young Guns, to be honest with you. Young Guns, Carter Rowney.
I think the base cards look
Pittsburgh.
nicer than
Yeah, the base cards look nicer than the Young Guns. Base cards look exactly like 11-12 base. I don't know if you've seen it or not.
I can't.
11-12 base have the exact same looking Young Guns. UD Canvas, Jason Demers, Florida. Okay. They used to sell for like $3-4 when the product first came out. PK Subban, UD Portraits, Nashville. Liney's were selling for like $2, and those were selling for like $4. Matthews, even $5.99. Guy Lafleur, Montreal, Centennial Standout. Some of these Centennials apparently are short prints. So
There's variations.
variations and short prints. Oh, there he is. For the Vancouver Canucks, Young Guns, Brock Besser. Just a regular one though, no high gloss, no.
That's coming.
So kinda, let's see if we can see the Young Guns track. What comes in with Besser. What did we hit in here so far? Rowney, Walker, Gillis. Okay. What's up, Dylan Allen? How are you, buddy? John Tavares, Portraits.
Dylan.
Islanders. Cake 201. You got some of your money back for the 6 spots. Centennial Standouts. Evgeny Malkin. So as I was saying, these Centennials, some of them are short prints. Make sure you check them out before you get rid of them for $1 or $2. Dougie Hamilton, Calgary. Samuel Morin, Young Guns, Philadelphia. What did he say, SB Hockey? John Tavares, Centennial. Islanders. Mikael Granlund, Shining Stars, Minnesota. Tyson Yost, Portraits, Colorado. Oh, thank you, SB Hockey. And, hey, not bad, Chicago, Alex DeBrincat, Young Guns. His stuff is picking up. What's up, Dubnik? Yes, we are. I'm the special guest tonight. I'm guest of honor. Whatever you guys call that. Guest of honor tonight. Okay, halfway there. That was a good box too. Box 4, 740. We'll be working together for sure, but Nick is going to be active most because I am too far from him. McDavid and Crosby Centennial standout variation for Solo. Yeah, I heard that. Tarasenko Portraits, St. Louis. Come on, let's get another clear cut. Johnny Gaudreau, Shining Stars, Calgary.
Clear cut young gun.
Yuri Canvas, Jacob Markstrom, Vancouver. Yanni Kukkonen, Young Guns, Carolina.
Slater Cuckoo.
Yeah. Alex Ovechkin, Centennial, Washington. Alex Tuck, Young Guns, Las Vegas. That's the first time I'm saying that team. Las Vegas Knights. Alex Tuck, Young Guns. Going out to Cake. Mikko Rantanen. Did I miss something? Oh. That's a good one, John. Lucas Walmart. That's a funny last name. Young Guns, Carolina, Lucas Walmart. Oh, I hate when they make variations. So hard to tell. Carey Price, UD Canvas. Good looking card. I like the way that looks.
Do they print any Columbus cards?
There is definitely Dubois. Red Shining Stars for the Penguins, Sidney Crosby. Jason, let me know how much you want for that Crosby red. I want that one. Ray Burke, Centennial. Boston. Why is it hard to hit Vegas in this stuff? There's a Columbus card. Alexander Wenberg, Shining Stars.
I think Vegas just has the top young gun, to be honest.
Really?
Besides the exclusive base and stuff.
There he is. Charlie McAvoy. So we're going to have a Hisher coming soon. Young Guns of Charlie McAvoy. Cake just killed it, huh? Besser. And now McAvoy. And we'll see if we can get him.
Dan a Hisher.
A Hisher? Oh. I forgot he doesn't have Hisher.
So New Jersey, if he got New Jersey, you would have destroyed it.
Maurice Richard, Centennial Habs. Is this one a rare one? I would love to see a high gloss. Matt Niskanen canvas, Washington. UD canvas, Patrick Maroon, Edmonton. I hope so. Exclusive Young Guns would be good too. Braden Holtby, Washington. Prime Minister has what team? Oh yeah, he was asking, do they make Detroit cards? Nope. Philip Chittle, New York Rangers. That's a funny last name too. Chittle.
Grant's got a hit.
Thank you, Wes. I mean, not Wes. Jason, I'll take that Crosby red for $2. Stamkos Centennial. Oh shit. Nothing happened. Sorry, I shouldn't have done that in the middle of a break. I'm sorry. I apologize. Just wanted to get that over with. Hitless in Detroit? No, it's coming. Don't worry.
Svechnikov coming.
Jonathan Tays, Centennial Standout. That's a very good looking card. I don't know why, but looks good. Svechnikov. I didn't even see his base Detroit, he said. And, nope. Riley Barber. Young Guns, Washington. Sorry.
That's okay.
I'll help you clean up, of course.
No problem, no.
Oh, clear cut for the Penguins. Matt Murray.
Nice.
Very nice.
Jason. It's not a bad one.
Yep.
He always sells.
He does for sure. So that is probably our big hit. Maybe we'll get a exclusive too. Who knows?
Supposed to get another Hisher.
Should be a Hisher in there. Matt Tkachuk, Calgary. Is this the first box with McAvoy and no Hisher? I guess it is. Connor McDavid, UD Portraits. Edmonton. First time I've seen that. First time I've seen that. Wow. We got our 6 Young Guns though, right? 1. McAvoy there, 2. 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we did. Okay. Weird. Well, UD surprises you all the time, doesn't he?
I guess I case it. I had 3 in it. It's making up for that one there.
Yep. Upper deck. Ripped off, he said. Yeah, we got ripped off. Boo.
Dan's going to be choked when he watches the video.
Oops. God, what's wrong with me?
Butterfingers.
Butterfingers.
Nervous.
The base card.
At least it's only base cards.
Yeah. How long is the video? Oh, you don't.
I can't. No,
You don't remember when we started?
No.
Okay.
We were going pretty fast though. A lot faster than I usually do. That's for sure.
Okay, box 5, 776.
You're gonna be under an hour. I'm pretty sure.
Oh, we can find out by the video, Facebook video.
Oh, we started at the same time.
Yeah, I turned it off and I just so it only records the break itself.
Yeah, if you want the break video to upload to Hobbybox, I can send it to you. If you want to put it on your YouTube,
Yeah.
if you want to, it's up to you.
Guy Lafleur,
I'll do it to
Centennial.
mine, too. But then,
How long does it usually take?
from my computer?
Yeah.
About a 15-20 minutes.
Hayden Fleur, Young Guns, Carolina.
At my old house, it was a lot faster.
Oh,
Internet here is not
not as fast.
It might be faster now though because I did that.
Nick, are you taking notes? He said.
On what?
JT Miller, portraits.
On how to not pull Hisher Young Guns?
What does he have? He has 1 spot or 2?
Chicago, 1.
Oh, he got a DeBrincat, so he can't complain.
Well, yeah, he hit something. But if you go to Series 1, you have to hit
Jeff
something.
Carter,
It's
LA.
impossible. I think it's impossible to go hitless in Series
Trudeau is crying. We'll get you something, Trudeau. Mikko Rantanen, Colorado. Oh, we got a double hit pack. Evgeny Svechnikov, Detroit, and we have a Young Guns exclusive, guys. Very nice. Going out to JFK, 13 of 100 for the Boston Bruins. Jakob Forsbacka Carlson.
Cake, nice.
Not bad. I saw the Detroit jersey. I thought it would be Svechnikov
Back to back.
double. Yeah. Okay, so there is yours, Detroit, and there is that Forsbacka. Is he in the NHL?
I think he's been called up a few times this year. I don't know if he's still with the team right now, though. I would have to look. I'm a bad Bruins fan. I haven't really followed much this year. I'm too busy doing other stuff.
Centennial. This might be short print. Mario Lemieux. That's his return, or yeah. Mario Lemieux's return. These Centennial autographs. There's autograph ones as well. They're huge. One what?
How many? Reinhardt, they're not guaranteed per case.
Ivan Barbachev. Young Guns, St. Louis.
Exclusives are not guaranteed.
Yeah, this year it's totally different. You don't even get jersey every pack.
I've seen 2 cases with no high gloss, Young Gun or exclusive. Usually you get 1, but I've seen cases without it. So they don't guarantee it.
We got 2 already in this one.
2 what?
Exclusives. 1 base, 1 Young Gun.
Yeah. Well, there's exclusives per case.
Shea Weber, Centennial, Montreal.
Not Young Gun exclusives.
Yeah, this year they totally different. Everything is different. UD Canvas, Colton Perrieko.
Usually
St.
there's
Louis.
1 per case, though. Usually.
Yeah, you should. Rasmus Anderson, Young Guns, Calgary. Wow, there's a lot of these names I haven't heard. Ovi, Shining Stars, Washington. Red, Shining Stars, Pacioretty, Montreal. She's around. Nick, she's around. She works at the insurance office. UD Portraits, Arizona, Clayton Keller.
Have you pulled any Young Gun cams?
Yeah, 1. Tyson.
Oh, yeah.
Tyson Yost. Ryan Johansson,
Should get
Nashville.
1 more, maybe.
Hopefully Nolan Patrick.
Yeah. Usually it's 1 in 4 boxes. Or 1 in 2 boxes, actually. So you should get.
Alexander Nylander, Young Guns, Buffalo. Oh, Wiley Sabres got 1 for the PC.
Well, you should get Young Guns yet.
Luckily, no. Joe Sakic, Centennial,
Next box.
Colorado.
You never know.
Yeah,
You never know.
but it's good. Good that we don't get. Young Gun Canvas for the Calgary Flames, John Gillis.
Speak of this, here's the canvas.
Hey, that should be a Besser coming up. There's a Gillis. There's a jersey, though. Carolina, Cam Ward. UD jersey. And we have a random between Vancouver and New Jersey. Young Gun Checklist. Brock Besser and Nico Hischer. That is Cake and
Dan
Andrew. If we pull another one, we'll just give each of you 1. Otherwise, we random that at the end unless you want to give it to him. Hampus Lindholm, Anaheim. I don't think so. Who knows how Pedersen's going to be, right? UD Canvas, Jack Eichel.
Who's Pedersen? Who's the number
Canucks draft pick.
Oh.
Last year's number 5.
Oh, 5th overall.
Yeah. Johnny Bauer, Centennial, Leafs. Down to our last box. Who hasn't had a hit yet? Raise your hand, please.
Like you can see them raising.
Yeah. Empty? Yeah. This was full already.
Oh, this one.
Oh, the first one. You added
I
the...
added from the break earlier.
Oh, I used to fill those like every break. Okay, final box. Good luck if you haven't had a hit. Hope you hit in this one.
Well, I have 4 or 5 in the closet for these things.
Don't you have a buyer?
Yeah. I have a guy that buys them.
Yeah, 35 each.
Yep.
My ratio for hitting that is 1.
1 in every 2.
I mean 2. We start with a Troy Krug canvas, Boston. Torrey Krug, sorry. Vince Dunn, Young Guns, St. Louis. We still have not got a double Young Gun. That's a good sign. Yeah, Panini had the coach's autograph subset. I don't know why Upper Deck hasn't made one yet, but that's cool to see the coach's autograph. Nicholas Kurdiles? I don't know. Anaheim? Kurdiles.
That's how I said it. Thank you.
Yeah, Voices of the Game. I had that half full. That set was. Oh, there's a Mario Lemieux Centennial. Yeah, see? One of those is a short print because the other one we pulled was different. Was sideways. So one of these short print for Pittsburgh. Check it out, Jason. Let us know. Logan Brown, Young Guns, Ottawa. No, it's not? Oh, okay. I hate it when they do that. Why do they make the same card 2 different design? Or 2 different picture? Vincent Trocheck, Florida. Boo, I got excited for you there, Jason. Nikolai Ehlers, Shining Stars, Winnipeg. Come on, either an exclusive or a clear cut to finish the break. Andrei Vasilevsky, Canvas Tampa. Dilis, Nicholas. Thank you, Betsy. Maurice Richard. See, this one looks different too, right?
Maybe we have multiples of different things.
That sucks. I hate that.
The big set. I know that. There's 100 card set on.
Yeah, that didn't sound good, Jason. Jake DeBrusk, Young Guns. And we have a ceremonial puck drop.
Ooh, that's
Gretzky and Dale Hawerchuk. I've seen the signed one of this one. I'm like, it's Connor McDavid and someone else. It says Gretzky and Hawerchuk. Okay, Winnipeg and Edmonton randomized. That is WNY Bad Boys and SB Hockey. 2 randomizer to do.
Do that. Let's have the video with her.
Yeah, we'll do the random and the bonus at the same video after the break. UD Portraits, Rasmus Ristolainen, Buffalo. Is that a short print?
The ceremony pot truck, yeah.
Nice.
Big cards.
Nice. Okay, then we have to sleeve that. Peter Forsberg, Colorado. Sorry, I didn't know. Because
it's 1 in, I forget the odds on it. 1 in 2,000 packs or something like that.
no way. Wow.
Yeah, ceremony puck truck or 1 in 2,000 packs.
That's crazy. What do they sell for? Jason, or whoever has this is the part I hate. Don't want to ding it and don't want to hit it. We have another jersey card. New Jersey, Kyle Palmieri. Some of these jersey cards are short print as well, but I don't think. Oh, around 80 to 100. Not bad. Philip Forsberg, UD Canvas, Nashville. I was just going to say, if the other person doesn't want it, give it to the other guy so we don't have to do the random, but I guess not, right? So.
Nobody gave up a $100 card.
I didn't know. I'm glad that someone said that because Devin Dubnyk, Shining Stars, Minnesota.
I had to think about it for a second. I'm like, that's really short print.
Because the Centennial Puck Truck were not like that in 15-16.
Yeah, they just.
That product had that, I remember, and it wasn't that big of a deal unless they were autographed.
Yeah.
Jeff Carter, Portraits, LA Kings. Eddie Belfour, Dallas. Gabriel Carlson, Columbus. Hey, there you go. Columbus didn't go hitless too. I have a feeling Dubois Young Gun is a short print because I've seen so many breaks with barely. How many did you hit in your breaks?
I don't know. I pulled the exclusive in one of them.
Connor McDavid, Shining Stars, Edmonton.
In my hit select one as well, exclusive.
Nice.
I don't think they would short print.
Yeah, Young Guns, Yoni Brodzinski. I've heard that name in a break, but I never pronounced it. Wow.
For the first time.
Yeah. That many variances there, huh? That's crazy. Thanks for posting that, Sibley. Mike Hoffman portraits. 3 packs left. Come on. We had that.
Eyeglass Young Gun.
Or a canvas Young Gun. Alex Goligoski, Arizona. Come on, I want to see a Nolan Patrick. Nolan Patrick. Come on. No. Alex Del Vecchio, Centennial. And last pack of the break is not bad. Shining Stars Red, Connor McDavid for the Oilers. So SB Hockey, with your Yamamoto and your couple of McDavids you pretty, unless you have 2 spots. You have 2 spots?
I think you just had one.
Yeah, you're there. You made your break money back. Some other definitely spots didn't make it. But
some win, some lose.
Yeah. Sorry if you didn't have a hit. You know, me and Nick always try to pull you something, but it doesn't always happen. And if you had the nice hits there, then congrats to you. Was a pretty decent half case. Lots of good hits in there. 3 up there and that right there, and a bunch of more Young Guns in there. So thank you for joining. Thank you for filling it up, and thank you. We'll do a separate video for the multi-randoms and the 3 bonus giveaways that we promised at the end, which would be these 3 guys here. 3 winners, first spot, second spot, third spot, on a separate video. We'll get Nick to do that. Thank you guys for joining. We'll be back shortly.